Why is fried rice the ultimate comfort food? Today, we'll show you how to make my go-to fried rice. Whether you're meal prepping or making dinner, fried rice is a great option to mix together leftover ingredients into a delicious dish. It's surprisingly easy to make takeout quality fried rice that you'll love, so let's get cooking. We'll start by dicing 4 links of Portuguese sausage or lopchong. These fatty sausages give the rice lots of flavor. We'll chop 2 bunches of green onion. Garlic chives can also be used for an even stronger flavor. We'll then take 6 cups of refrigerated day-old rice. I left mine in the fridge overnight on a pan to help dry it out. And we'll prep 5 eggs. Break up the rice into a bowl. On a wok set to high heat, we'll add 1 teaspoon of oil. We'll be cooking this in 3 batches. Add 1/3 of our diced meat, and allow to brown for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1/3 of our rice. And toss. The rice will soak up that oil from the sausage and all that flavor too. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce and toss. Make sure to break up any rice clumps too. Add 1/3 of our green onions and a 1/4 cup of frozen peas and carrots. Feel free to add leftover ingredients you have in the fridge as well. Toss everything for another 2 minutes and set aside and repeat for the rest of the ingredients in the batches. For the egg, we'll add and break up the eggs until scrambled. We can then add this to the rice and mix. And boom, you have a delicious fried rice. Whenever I want an easy, low cost and comfort meal, I use this recipe. What's great is that everything is either leftover or very low cost, even with inflation these days. Everyone likes their fried rice a little different though, so be sure to give this recipe a try and give it your special twist to make it your favorite fried rice. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.